your rubber track is essential to your equipment's productivity. Let's look at best practices for caring for it. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. One key to maintaining your rubber track is daily visual inspection. Look for signs of damage, such as deep cuts or abrasions. Remove any lodged debris or packed mud using a shovel or pressure washer. Next, check the sprockets for damage and loose bolts. If you see abnormal wear, refer to your OMM for how to measure your sprockets. Check rollers and idlers for leaks and uneven wear. If the track is sagging or hitting components during operation, you'll want to measure it. Correct track tension can help maximize the life of undercarriage components. If it's too tight, you will see accelerated wear on your tracks. Too loose, and the track could derail, or the drive lugs could index or jump. Before measuring, operate forward enough so that any slack is on the bottom of the track. Make sure you're on level ground. Support the track so it's at least 2 inches or 51 millimeters above the ground. Take all safety precautions and check your OMM for specific instructions. Engage the parking brake, disable hydraulics, and power down your equipment. You're measuring the track sag at the middle track roller. Measure the distance from the bottom of the roller to the inside top surface of the track. Your OMM lists proper specs for your machine model. If you need to adjust your track, remove the undercarriage access panel. Add grease to tighten the track. Or to loosen it, release pressure using the adjustment valve. Measure again to make sure your track is now at the right tension. For more information and support, contact your CAT dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.